Hey guys, so I got some updates on KuGoo. They are officially now, as far as I'm concerned, the world's worst electronic scooter company, and I'll be making a video about that. But I've refused to abandon this project, and I've already ordered the part, so I'm just going to continue updating my page despite my grievances with this company. I've had the scooter now for about 6 weeks. Sorry, there's a military flyover going on right now. So, long story short, I've had this scooter for about 5 weeks. A week into owning it, one of the LEDs gave out. I have gone ahead and painted these parts and removed this here. I contacted KuGoo about a month ago about what LED strips go in here so I could replace it myself. Did not ask the company to send me one for free. Did not ask for them to sell me one. I just wanted what the LED strip was capable of conducting amperage voltage. It's been 4 weeks without an answer. They replied to me after 4 weeks of having videos and pictures and ignoring me, and to only tell me after 6 more email exchanges that they offer this for sale. So it took me 5 weeks for them to tell me that they sell this when I didn't ask if they sold this. So yeah, I mean, if you're gonna order a scooter from anybody, this brand, don't do it. If you can get it secondhand, like I did with this, I got this for $700 with 5 miles on it. I've spent maybe $90 upgrading it.